and welcome to the Dr. Fix-It Show. I'm Dr. Hammer.
And I'm Dr. Saw!
We have some patients here today. One is Wilma, one is Otto. We will be operating on them today as our patients, as I said before.
Wilma here is here for the seasonal Yugoslavia fever.
And Otto here, he has hippopotamontitis.
Wilma, step this way.
Mr. Tool.
Okay, and the instruments that we will be using today are the handsaw, screwdriver, the wrench, twisty thingy-mabob that I don't really know what it does, and last but not least, the hammer. Now,
Dr. Saw, there's 2 minutes until surgery. Where in the world did Dr. Saw go? Dr. Saw? Dr. Saw!
what?
Where are you? We need you for surgery.
I'm bathing the neighbor's cat in the toilet
Why?
because it looks dirty.
Get down here.
Fine. Cat had to tickle.
Perfect. We can use this for Wilma's operation. Thanks, Dr. Saw. Get back to work. Put the cat down.
Oh, cat. Cat, will you please marry me? Cat? No!
Put the cat down and get back
No!
to work. Dr. Saw. Dr. Saw. Wilma, Wilma, are you ready for your surgery? It's time to operate. She's going to die if we don't operate now. Where's the saw? You need to cut her open. Not yet. Not yet. Maybe this will make it easier to cut. Cut.
It's gonna reject it from both.
No, not yet. She's too fragile.
We need to amputate her arm.
Water. Fast. And then screwdriver.
Water! Fast! And then screwdriver!
Let me see.
Fast! And
Screwdriver.
screwdriver. Twisty thingamabob.
Twist it. Twist it. There you go. Okay, quickly hammer. Be careful. The saw's there. Go put the other tools away. It's gonna be harmful for her.
Amputate!
Maybe she needs the black eyelashes.
Put the anesthetic on her!
Good, back away. This needs to be private.
Okay. She can be okay now.
She might live through it. I need the hammer. Put the saw down. Dr. Saw, I know you love saws, but you have to put it down sometimes.
Is this a hammer?
No.
It's a hammer.
I know, you gotta go find it.
Use this! Beat her with it!
Okay, 1 minute, her heart's not finished. Okay, stop. Stop. Okay. Screwdriver. Okay, put this down. Put this down.
She gonna make it? Is she gonna make it?
I don't know yet. We're not completely finished with the operation yet.
We must soon be finished. Let me try, you're
Away.
going too slow! Her tail must be cut off.
Okay.
Come on! You can do it!
gonna die. Just hold that right there. Just hold it in your stable. You need the bigger saw. I need you to hold her steady. Hold her steady. No, just hold her steady, please. There's your saw.
Our tail's not coming off!
It is. Only by another string. Hold her. You've got a lot of it off. It's off.
It's
She
off.
should live. Her heart's black. You killed her. Okay,
No.
surgery's done. Surgery's done. Here comes the anesthetic to wake up. Well, you can go home now.
Doc. Doctor! I think we killed her.
Oh.
Awesome! Oh yeah!
Let's check her anesthetic to make sure.
I
Audience, we will be right back. Please join us after the break.
Welcome back.
Welcome back to Dr. Fix-It Show. I'm Dr. Hammer,
And I'm Dr. Saw.
and we are back from our break. Hopefully you enjoyed that short intermission when we did nothing but goat talk.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Who's next? Let's check our list. I think it's this dude right here.
Otto?
Uh-huh.
Otto. Come here, boy. Oh no! He's struggling!
Bring him over here.
Help me!
Got it. He's good. He's stable. Leave him.
Okay.
Here, let me give him his anesthetic.
Okay.
Put him on the table, Dr. Saw.
He's on the table. Who is it? There's someone at the door.
I'll get it.
Go! Go! Now, Otto, are you ready for your surgery? No? All right then. Okay.
No, Love, you go this way. You can't tell us the truth.
What's going on over there, ladies?
Oh, nothing. She just told us we can't use saws.
Well, that's preposterous.
This is our manager. I just told our manager no.
Oh.
Oh, let's get back to the surgery.
The tools that we will be using for this operation are a screwdriver, a handsaw, a hammer,
That's my tool.
and a twisty thingamabob that I still don't know what it does. Are
I
you
think
ready?
it pokes out eyeballs.
Are you ready?
I think I am. Should I start surgery or should you?
You need to start the surgery!
I'll start it. First we gotta get out his eyes.
I'll gnaw off his foot.
Here, let me see. You get the big saw for that. what it is.
I don't know. It's a very risky surgery.
Mm-hmm. We have to cut through his heart. I cut through his heart. I think he's unconscious. There's something else we can talk about?
Oh, yeah. Last night I had this crazy dream, you know?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Really was pretty crazy, you know? I mean,
Maybe we should stop and just listen.
yeah. I mean, it was pretty crazy. It was there was this garden man.
No,
He wore a big yellow hat.
He's our next patient.
Really? Oh my god! Dr. Hammer? Please come back.
I think so. He's not in our waiting room yet.
Well, anywho.
Do
So,
you think he's dead yet?
I don't know. Wait, take the handsaw out. This requires hand surgery.
Oh, that's his son. I think I have his butt.
His inside looks funny. Ooh, I think I just took out his head. Ooh, I don't think so.
This isn't me. Oh, let's rip him out. Look at his inside.
Ooh, there's still some more in his head, Doctor.
Oh, we gotta get it all out. I think he's dead already. We're such good doctors. I wonder what his parents are gonna think. Oh, we did our best.
Oh no. Oh no, he's not breathing. Ooh,
That's too bad.
I'm done.
Okay.
And that was the Dr. Fixed It Show!
I think you got carried away there, Doc.
I know, right? It's a good show.
We make a good team. We make a good team, don't we?
We do.
Yeah.
Ow!
Did you cut yourself with a saw? Did you cut yourself with a saw? Let me see.
Oh my
Let me see.
god, this is terrible!
Let me see. Let me wrap it up.
Orgasm!
Watch out, there's a saw on the ground. Don't step on it.
This is terrible.
I noticed. That's why.
Did you like our show?